Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through dock maintenance for the DREAME Aqua10 Roller AE. If you're interested in the AE, the link to it will be in the video description, where you can find links to our top robot vacuum, wet dry vacuum, and cordless vacuum cleaner picks, as well as our daily vacuum deals website. So be sure to shop those links in the description. So here's a look at the beautiful station for our Aqua10. Let's start at the very top. We have a lid here that opens up to reveal our clean and dirty water tanks. Both have nice handles that you can easily remove them. And then you can see inside here, we have a couple different inlets and outlets. Just want to make sure that they're free from any obstructions. So just monitor that closely. And at the bottom, if you have any drips that accumulate, no big deal. You can just wipe them down. And there is a little drain hole right there. So if you have larger spills, they should drain out without issue. So make sure that hole's not clogged either. And it looks like on the back here, we do have access for a water kit for those that are curious. You have what appears to be the cutouts there. Looking at the tanks themselves, there's not much to it. We have our clean water tank here. Just rinse this out occasionally as you think of it, just to keep everything nice and fresh. Dirty water tank, absolutely want to make sure you're emptying this after every use. If you're not, grab a little mouthwash or something to put in here, a little bit of your favorite cleaner, just to help prevent any sort of odor and mildew buildup. This starts to smell really nasty on these things if you just leave the water sitting for days, if not weeks. So grab a little bit of mouthwash, like a retainer cleaning tablet. There's lots of stuff you could buy or put into it if you don't want to empty it after every use. Moving further down the station, we have a removable cover in the middle. It's got two arrows. Just pull it out. That's going to reveal your solution tank. Nothing to do here besides refill the solution once it's empty. And then for your vacuum bag, very easy to remove this. When you discard it, make sure that you have this cover pulled all the way out like that. That'll close it so you're not spilling and spewing your dirt and dust everywhere there. Discard the old vacuum bag. You can write the date on the new one just to keep track of that better. And it just slides right in to be installed. And then you take the cover. It only fits one way. This side's for the solution. This side's for the vacuum bag. And it just presses right back in place. Further down, we have a removable tray for very easy cleaning. So any larger debris will collect on this. You can just wash it off in your sink or pick off any sort of grass clippings, dirt, debris, that sort of thing there. You can wipe down in here as needed. There is a tiny little drain hole. Maybe you can see that in there. So make sure that that's free from any clogs or obstructions. That's why it's important to have this tray to filter all those larger pieces of debris and to keep this clean and tidy there. And then this ramp is removable, so you can just peel that off too, right? If you wanted to wash or rinse this out. And then you can also monitor right here. This is where the self-empty is. And just kind of reach in and investigate if there's any clogging. That leads us to the underside of the unit. We have multiple Phillips head screws, but you'll notice too, we have a couple, like this one has a sticker on it. So I'm wondering if they track that for warranty purposes. Technically, it looks like you do have access to the underside with just a Phillips head screwdriver, but proceed at your own risk. I wouldn't go into there unless you have exhausted all other support issues and there's nothing on the horizon that could fix it. Then you could just go ahead and get access to see if that would somehow help whatever you're dealing with. Well, that's it. Not much to it. A nice, simple station that's easy to clean and maintain.